What's up, YouTube? Happy Friday the 13th. Oh, check out the shirt. I thought it was perfect for Friday the 13th. Yeah. Today I'm going to, well, first of all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I'm Sydney. Thank you for clicking on this video or finding my video or clicking my link and watching my video. I appreciate you a lot. So, what was I saying? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, hi again. Thanks for listening to me blab most of the time. But today I'm going to show you a full day of eating and a grocery haul and maybe a little bit of a vlog. Vloggy vlog. And of course, Scortania is happy on this Friday the 13th. She's happy. Super happy. Oh, she's not. Oh, there we go. We'll skedaddle this over here. It's still dark. Whatever. Okay, now that you can see me and I'm not in the dark. I was super hungry. I woke up this morning, so I had like a real basic breakfast and I didn't have work today. Usually I have like egg whites and an egg and blah 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 blah. But today I just did some toast, if it'll focus, whatever. Ezekiel bread toast, avocado, and just one chicken sausage. The chicken sausage is a little high in fat, so 33 carbs, 9 fat, 13 protein. So I'm gonna have 2 cups of coffee, which they're like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Also going to go to the grocery store, so I'll show you what I am going to buy. Because I always do grocery hauls because that's all I do. I don't know why. But I'll show you what I buy on my prep cut. Okay, so since I haven't really eaten a lot yet today, for my pre-workout meal slash snack slash snack meal snack, I'm gonna, let's see what I want to eat. Usually it's not as hard for me to figure out what I want to eat because usually I just want to eat everything in sight. So this is difficult. I've decided to make a protein pancake. Here's my ingredients. We've got birthday cake by the signature line. It's delicious. And then we're gonna put some egg whites and some almond milk, unsweetened. Like half a drop of liquid stevia, probably like a 1/4 of a serving of PB2, some cinnamon, and some 1 serving of Heart Smart Bisquick. And what am I forgetting? A splash of vanilla. So let me go get to that. So I'm gonna add 1 serving of this pancake mix, which is 40 grams. Perfect. I'm just gonna measure out how many egg whites I think I need. And I'm just using the all whites. Egg whites. Do half a scoop, which is about 15 grams of. The consistency is looking like. It's pretty thick. It's pretty blobby. So, probably a splash or so of this. I'm gonna pour this in the pan. I didn't put anything in the pan, so hopefully it doesn't stick. While that pancake is cooking, I'm going to show you how I'm going to calculate the pancake. Open your phone, go to MyFitnessPal. We're gonna scan the code. That's my face. Oh, there we go. See how it scans it, just pulls it right up for you. And since I use a full serving, I'm just gonna click add. Okay, there it goes. Same thing with egg whites. Go back, scan it. I used a full serving of this as well. It's really cool because they even have this in of course but they had this in MyFitnessPal, so it's really cool because it's easy to scan it and it pulls it right up. It's pretty awesome that that's in there because some like places or some items aren't in here. And since I did half a scoop, I'm just like, okay. So I burnt a little bit of the pancakes. I forgot about it because I was blabbing, but check and check. Same with cinnamon, it's just cinnamon, nothing to track here. The 0, 0, 0, 0, that's for 4 drops, and I use like 0.1 of a drop. Almond milk. This one's tracked. Turn it sideways, and it says lunch, 28 carbs, 4 fats, and 21 proteins. I'm at 60 carbs for the day, 13 fat, and 33 protein for the day. I'm not gonna show you the burnt part of the pancake, so let me get a plate. Oh, it's a little small. I'll use a big plate. Look at this. Oh, that side's burnt too. Crap. I didn't even need a plate because it's stiff.
Y'all should probably know this is Gratanian. She got a little beefy, so she's on a summer shred right now. She's not real happy about it. You're not happy about it. I know. But your abs are coming in nice. Ah! Ah!
Leaving the gym. Gold's Gym here. I'll let you see that. But just did 30 minutes of stairs and then a quick shoulder and chest workout. Now I'm going to Trader Joe's for my groceries for the week, or half a week probably, because recently here I've been having to go to the store twice a dang week, so we'll see. All right, word to the wise, do not ever go to Trader Joe's on Friday at any time during the day at any point. It's just a freaking madhouse, to say the least. Oh, I forgot to say, while I was leaving the gym, I had my first Friday the 13th mishap, bad luck thing. My headphones were dead in the gym. They were dead. Dead. Gone. They were toast. Not really just need to be charged, but they were dead. So, I'm gonna show you my grocery haul from Trader Joe's for correct. Yeah, let's get it. First of all, treat yourself to some flowers every now and then. Haha. All right. Ezekiel bread for some breakfast carbs. Eventually this will go away and I will be consuming more of a more sustainable carb, like oatmeal instead of bread, but right now that's what I like to eat. And then some rice cauliflower. I got 2 packages because they're always out when I go there on the weekend, which Saturday afternoon is a good time to go, sorta. It's way better than today, I'll tell you that much. Avocados with some fats. I got 2. I got 1 that's ready to eat now and 1 that needs to ripen. Eventually avocados will probably have to go because they're higher in fat, but for now, those are my fats. And I've been really into sparkling waters. I've been drinking the LaCroix. But I found this at Trader Joe's Cranberry Clementine. The sparkling water just makes the stomach feel a little fuller, and it's a fizziness on my tummy and it goes off. And then this will definitely have to go away. But I mean, it has less fat than the regular avocados, like not regular avocados. Straight up avocados. It's the chunky guacamole reduced guilt. I'll eat that with my lunches. And then all this meat I'm about to show you. Okay, so Wesley is doing a different type of, it's not really a diet for him because he's not like prepping or doing anything. He's doing like a lifestyle swap to the carnivore diet, and I don't know a lot to tell you about that, but maybe he'll explain it to you, but probably not. So I'm just gonna show you what I got him at the store. Got him some uncured bacon, so they can have like basically all meat, and they can have fats as long as it's animal fat, so bacon is good. And then this nice beautiful ribeye. No, yeah, it's a ribeye. And then these look a little gray, but when you open these, they turn this color. It's weird. So, steaks. Those are his meats. That'll probably last him a day or two. Very expensive lifestyle. And I've been really liking these kombuchas, get my bacteria. And like, let's see. There's 50 calories for the entire bottle and only 12 carbs for the entire bottle. So it's not bad. They will have to go though because it takes up carbs later on. For now, we're Gucci. Sorry, I'm super tall, so my head is getting cut out. And then some pink sun because I left it at my parents' house when I moved, so it's about time I got some more. Sorry, my hands and fingernails are scrub looking. Got some ground turkey. I ate an entire pound of ground turkey in probably a day, or a day and a half. So yeah. And I got some organic, all natural chicken. So it's kind of, I don't want to call it a mini grocery haul because I got all that stuff. That's my grocery haul for Trader Joe's on prep. Alright, also today I said I was doing full day of eating. It's not a typical full day of eating because usually still at work at this time. So this is just a very weird full day of eating. So I'm pretty hungry now because I went to the gym and stuff. So I'm going to show you meal number 3. It's going to be 3.5 ounces of brown rice with 4 ounces of chicken that I cooked in the crock pot with 20 grams of fat-free mozzarella cheese, 31 grams of the chunky guilt-free guacamole, 16 grams of salsa verde, and then a drizzle, which is like 7 grams of green dragon sauce. I want to track this because there's like nothing in it. I mean, I track it, but it's like nothing. To top it off, a few cracks of fresh black pepper and a spritzel shaken of ground cumin. I could put this on everything because it's delicious. Peep Trader Joe's everything. Ah. Ah. Alright, time to eat. And after lunch, I will take my multi. It's got all the goods in it. Yeah. It's one of the most important supplements to take. It has everything in it. And my joint supplementation. Bing, bang. I have arthritis runs in my family really bad. I already have a little bit in my fingers. And this really honestly does like comfort my joints and doesn't make my hands painful. So if you have some joint pain or arthritis that runs in your family, I recommend you get some of this today. I'm going to a baseball game with my family tonight, and since I can't drink or enjoy delicious baseball food, I'll be bringing my own snacks. Probably bring one of these, and then these, and my drink of choice is this ginger ale kombucha. You're laughing at me. Meal 3, 4. No, I'm recording. This is Wes's meat meal. Hello. Ugh.
I told Cindy I would. She says she doesn't want to be a part of it.
Someone buy it and I'll walk it to the mailbox.
You're gonna walk the cat on a leash.
I think it'll be fun. She'll be okay.
What are you doing? You look real suspicious. She'd probably freak out. No, ma'am.
You can always look and make sure there's not giant dogs. You can't until like I mean,
This is going to be meal 5.
I always thought it was.
I'm gonna have